Tropical Rainforest Museum called Sunnyvale its home from 1996 to 1998, while providing a remarkable level of community outreach with its school assembly program, mobile exhibits called Rainforest Expos at fairs and festivals, and its popular jungle parties. Explorers were filled with anticipation as they entered the beautiful museum depicting a jungle at twilight. Gorgeous murals on the walls of rain clouds and silhouettes of the jungle were a mood-setting backdrop. Over 80 species of live tropical animals could be seen up close, including iguanas, snakes, macaws, parrots, and cockatoos. Preserved tropical insect displays augmented the more than 60 landscape vivariums, containing geckos, chameleons, poison dart frogs, and giant bird-eating tarantulas. Explorers were provided safari helmets for their adventures in the jungle. Jungle plants, including exotic orchids, bromeliads, and tillandsias, filled the museum. Educational placards accompanied each display, telling about the animal's home, diet, and mating behavior. A giant replica of a Mayan temple was part of the cultural element of the museum. All of these activities emphasize to the Central California public the importance of wildlife conservation and preservation of the rainforest. Our family of parrots made sure everyone felt welcome at our Tropical Rainforest Museum.